Alright guys, today is race day. We're all prepped and ready to go to Spirit Peaks. And yeah, we're just getting ready to leave. Got all the truck, trailers, cars are all loaded up. And we will see you guys when we get down there. Peace.
So what's up, brother? Finally here.
Unloading the trailer, man. Right. Getting everything set up.
He's already got it off. Yeah, I kind of missed getting it off the thing there. I had to stop. What's up, Killian?
What's up, man?
You ready? You stoked?
Long drive.
That wasn't that bad.
It is when you go to bed at 1 in the morning and wake up at 5:30.
All gonna. You guys
We're ready to party here.
That is a lot of rubber. This one's already
prepared.
Sorry, this one already has. Oh, look at my bracelet.
This is one of my old ones from one of my contours, so I just kind of I took it off. They got a tire machine here today. We're about to figure it out, DJ. We need to throw on some old burners, then we can do that. I got a couple old ones, but I got some freshies up front already mounted. Those puppies are ready to go.
That's awesome.
I think those will probably last actually quite a while today. So.
How long does one tire usually, or two tires usually last?
It varies. It kind of depends on like the compound of the tire, the tread wear rating, size, how much power you make, how gripped up your car is. But these before on my old suspension setup could last me pretty much a full track day on the dry, and they smoke like crazy. The Nankang NS20s, and I think actually now they update them to the 25s. But those things are awesome, man. They can last pretty much most of the day.
Cool. Sounds good to me.
Should be good for a 2-day event, so it should be alright.
You gonna sleep in the tent with them, or?
I don't know. I got an air mattress for bed of the truck. I might be sleeping under the stars tonight, boys.
Oh, roughing it.
See what happens.
Dude, I'm a wussy like that. I'm sleeping in the car. Screw the mosquitoes, man. Is this where you're staying tonight?
Oh yeah.
How many of you guys are staying all in one tent?
This is mine.
This is mine.
Oh, sorry. Remy's gonna be staying with me.
Oh, okay.
I got my baby girl.
That's funny. Is that window on purpose so people can come see if you're okay?
Oh yeah.
Is that a window on purpose?
See, I think it's to keep your heel up like this.
I think you go the other direction, right?
Is it on backwards? One of these got to. One of these.
Oh
gotta
yeah,
be
we
able
gotta
to keep
rotate.
this
But I
up.
think
windows
these go
right-
over the windows. Yep, that's the same guy.
Oh, you know him?
Yeah.
Did you tandem
He's
up?
got cancer and I have ISIS.
That makes sense.
Driving together last year. That's sick.
Well, nice. Now I have to censor more things. Thank you for the language.
Yeah.
What's up, DJ?
What's up, man?
Who are your friends?
We're recording if you don't mind.
You cool? Hey, all right, cool. We'll have you on YouTube.
Just checking out an RB25 240.
I'm Derek, by the way, man.
Alexi.
Nice to meet you. That's my Z.
Nice.
I got it. You have one for a daily, so I'm thinking about like.
Oh, really?
Having a backup for this thing.
That used to be my daily.
What you doing, Rodney? Oh, he's good.
I don't know what he want me to cook at. Though.
You hungry already, huh?
No, not really.
I am. Oh.
We ain't get the grill though. He ain't get here yet.
Oh, the grill?
The grill, the most important thing.
What? It wasn't included?
Drivers feeling happening by the picture.
So guys, we are on our way to Napa Auto Parts. Unfortunately, the first lap, I destroyed my serpentine belt really bad, grenaded it, and that's the last thing on my mind I thought to bring extra of. So we're going to Napa Auto Parts. It's in Castle Rock. It's about 23 minutes away, so we're trying to hurry there and hurry back so we get this thing back out there and get on the track.
Okay, so let me fill you in a little bit. So you took it out the first time and it ended up shredding a serpentine belt on the front there for the accessories and stuff. So yeah, I guess that happened again. So now he's gonna leak in a little bit, and we're gonna let it cool off and figure out what's going on. But for now, I think we'll just we're gonna troubleshoot and figure out what's going on, see if we can get some more footage for you guys. Man, well, I think it's something you can fix today.
We're hoping so.
I mean, it didn't get, how hot do you think it got?
It was overheating.
Overheating? Okay. Not enough to cause porpoise or anything like that. No damage, right?
You see how expanded that is?
Yeah. Anyway, so we figured out what the problem was. Right down there, where the rubber's been rubbing down there. So at least it's something that isn't detrimentally.
We're hoping that's what it is. We're
Yeah.
taking a long shot, so.
It's nothing that's too. Oh, thank goodness! I thought that was something important.
Try and get as dry as you can.
Oh, while he's working on his, let's hear your plans. How'd your runs go?
Pretty good so far. The car's holding together. The only thing is it's got to watch the temps a little bit. After a couple runs, it's starting to climb up a little bit. But luckily, if I do a cool down lap or pull off to the pits, it actually cools down pretty quickly. So it's holding together. New chase base hydro is holding together. It's not leaking at all. That's pretty much was my only concern about, really. My reinforcement bracket that I made holding together. So I'm about to go out there and try and lay down some good runs for qualifying and see if I can get into the top 32 for the show. So wish me luck. It's my first time out. See how she goes.
It's pretty good, man. And you'll see some of that footage right here. And now that we're back, so you're getting ready to run out there right now?
Yeah. about to
Okay,
go
cool.
out, see what she can do. Hold together. I think I'm probably gonna have to swap my rears here after this
What do they
next couple runs. They're getting down there.
What are they looking like now? I wish I had befores and afters of them. Okay.
Well, I have
That's not
the
too bad.
matching rears to these laying over there that are what these were brand new, so you can kind of get an idea of what they look like before and after. But they're holding together. For being 6 laps on half burnt out tires, these are actually holding together really well, and they're being consistent, which is important. So
how's your hydro system? You said that's pretty good.
yeah, the hydro's working great. It locks up pretty much on command every time, so I don't really have any complaints with that. A little bracket I made down there is holding together.
Did you fabricate that yourself?
Yeah, I actually did. I made the whole piece, the top piece, this top plate came with the chase base hydro setup, and then I basically just welded it to a piece of 10 gauge steel, bolted it together, and then drilled holes and bolted it to the train tunnel.
All right.
It's actually holding together really well.
All right, so what's the status now?
We got the new radiator in. I drove 50 minutes away and back. So we got the new radiator in. We're cleaning the system right now. Just trying to get it all the air bubbles out. The thermostats are opening and closing, sucking more coolant in, so we're just keep building it up. Hopefully we'll be ready to party tomorrow.
So is there any kind of competition tomorrow you can be in, or is it just playtime?
Tomorrow's just all open drift, which is fine. I need more seat time anyways, learning the angle kit and everything. When I'm out there, it's running great. I mean, I love this ankle kit. I can hug it as far out as I can, and it just goes with me. So I throw as much angle as I need to.
Oh, now there's one thing left to do.
What's that?
Party.
Oh yeah, some beer.
Yeah.
This is like, do you sleep on a firm?
It's like people who buy like works first and then build the car.
Like Derek? Whoa! It's not even accurate. So.
Yo, he's.
Side bitch, main bitch.
It's day 2 of Party at the Peaks. The Mustang is finally running great. I took a couple of hot laps last night, and I think we're ready today. They're starting the track going hot early. They're running around the pits yelling at everybody to get their cars ready, so we're about to go party. All good.
So, what was the outcome? It started working better.
Oh, so what we found out, I was having really bad like wheel hop on the rear end. I checked the dampening on the wheels. They are 8 clicks all the way from soft. So I went and tightened them all the way down and did 8 clicks from hard, and it's been running perfect. I've been laying down the cleanest laps I could possibly do until I grenaded the tire. Give me some nice little drip marks.
There's a couple of tattoos. Those are car tattoos.
Just gives the car character.
Yeah.
So, but this angle kit did amazing. I have never driven better in my life, so I'm super excited to see where the future brings us with this. All right, guys, well, Party of the Peaks is now officially over. We are packing up our cars, getting ready to head home. It was a super great event, and we're just loading up with the trailers right now. We got some new battle wounds. Yeah. So both the cars, we did great. But now you're gonna see us on the next episode. Probably be doing maintenance, a bunch of stuff, maybe even a tube chassis on the front of the Mustang. You can see my core support's pretty messed up. So yeah, we're just packing up, going home, and we'll see you guys later.